Good morning, everyone. Today is the 21st of October, and I am on my autumn break now, so I don't have any classes and I can just do whatever I want, which is great. So today I started my day with reading in bed. I read a little bit more of Ninth House, still not very far into it. I'm about halfway, and even though I really like the story, it goes so slow for me. I don't really know why, but I can't get through it fast. But it is a very good story, so I'm still enjoying it intensely. But it's just not fast. But today I also finished City of Ghosts, and I gave it 4 stars because I really enjoyed it, but it wasn't the best book I've ever read. And I finished Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone for the, I don't know how many times I've read that book, but many. And it's still 5 stars for me because it is just filled with nostalgia. Because I read it for the first time when I was 9, and I have read it almost every year since then, so that says a lot. But I'll show you how I redid my bookcase this time. So yesterday I had it organized by author, my TBR shelf, but that was so messy that I decided to change that for today. For the rest of, always. So I have the black books there. That's some white and then gray, and then I have a selection of blue books, more blue and then green and yellow and orange. All the red and brown goldish ones, and then purple, and that is more gold from leftover from there. So that is how I organize my TBR shelf. And these are all the books that I still have to read. And I mean, there's more, because in Amsterdam I have more books that I still have to read. But, well, these are the ones that I have here in my parents' house. And those are the books that I have read already. So as you can see, I've read about half of the books I own. Which I don't mind, honestly. But, some people might say that I buy too many books, but I do not care because I will eventually end up reading them. I will definitely end up reading them because I love reading and I love picking up books whenever I feel like picking up books. So I am a major mood reader. just arrived in my own home and I'm right on time because it is now turning so dark outside, and not because it is going to be night, but because it's only 4. It's 3:45, but because it is starting to rain. And I'm so glad that I did not have to walk through that. So that's that. Also, in the train I started Neverworld Wake, and I knew what it was about, sort of, but I did not expect it to be so fast-paced. So I'm really glad I started that, and but also not really, because I was supposed to be reading Ninth House, because I still haven't finished that. But somehow I cannot get through Ninth House fast. It's just not possible. So I keep being distracted by other audiobooks, mainly thrillers, because it is October and it is spooky month, but I can just... no. I don't even know anymore. I can't... I will finish Ninth House soon. I will. I just started this show on Netflix called Living With Yourself with Paul Rudd, and it is super weird, but it is also kind of interesting? I'm not sure. I'm going to watch episode 2 now and see what I think then. I'm actually quite tired and I don't really feel like reading. So I guess I'll just go and watch Harry Potter while knitting, and then I'll just go to bed. Tomorrow is hopefully going to be a very fun day. I am going to be meeting up with another booktuber who lives in Amsterdam, and we're going to Waterstones and then grab some dinner. So I am very excited. But that's it for today for me. So I hope I will see you all again tomorrow. And for now, I wish you all a very good night.